Do you ever have wheels that grip up in the middle of a slide? And do you ever have wheels that have round, not rounded, and boring edges? See these wheels? They're only half broken in, but you don't have access to a lathe. That's why we invented the Tread Lathe. Today, we're going to teach you how to correctly operate a tread lathe. First, take the board and put it on the treadmill. Next, you sit on it. But before you start it, remember to clip yourself in, because safety first. Make sure you are properly sitting on the board, and then make sure your partner has a cloth or sweater at the end of the treadmill to catch all the urethane coming off of your wheels. Next, grab a nice gritty file to take off those pesky edges. Next, take the file and put it gently on top of the wheel and move it back and forth. Oh yeah!